our peace formula is still confidential and cannot be disclosed at the moment. However, it is tantamount to removing causes of tension between Tanzania and Uganda and ultimately arriving at an amicable settlement of all their problems. I might add at this juncture that there are remnants of the invading forces still in the territory of Uganda, and they will be well advised if they retreat immediately for their own interests and in the interest of Africa. In conclusion, I may say in passing that by the time this settlement plan is put into effect, the whole conflict will have been short-lived, about 2 weeks old only. May God guide all parties concerned with his light of wisdom.